Hi, I'm Leanne and I'm from Jayco Sydney. We're out here today at the four-wheel drive show right near the Eastern Creek Dragway. I'm going to take you for a walkthrough to show you the difference between the 1339-1 and -2 Crosstrak. Now they've both got these great pop-up ensuites. You've got your external shower with a spot for your portaloo. As we walk around, you've got your nice roll-out awning. Great outdoor cooking, so that's the best thing about the Crosstraks here. Outdoor cooking, now that's both the same on the 1339-1 and 2. Your 2-burner gas cooktop and your sink there. Got storage here. Underneath, we've got your gas bayonet, so you can also plug in your barbecue. Plus, you've got your great slide out here for your portable fridge and your barbecue. This uncomplicated caravan is perfect for your next off-road adventure. Your Crosstrak comes standard with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof and a 100-amp-hour lithium battery. Let's take a look inside. Now this is the 1339-2, so it's the bunk model, perfect for families. As you can see here, this converts to a bunk bed and you've got your top bunk there. Then this one also will roll back during the day, so you've got your lounge. Then we've got your optional aircon, some storage here, nice double-sized bed with your 2 reading lights that also have USBs in them, your Sirocco fan, plus more storage underneath that bed that you can also access from the outside. Now let's go and have a look at the -1. So let's jump in and have a look. As we walk into the -1, we've got no bunk beds, but we've got storage up above and a large pantry down here. Got a perfect Crosstrak for singles, couples or families. For more information, come and see us at the dealership at 63 to 67 Glossop Street, St Mary's, or jump on our website, jaycosydney.com.au.